Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're in the right place if you struggle to lose stomach fat and want a flatter belly fast. Now, I know how frustrating it can be. I tried every diet and workout routine a few years ago, but nothing seemed to work. I was bloated, sluggish, and self-conscious about my belly. But everything changed once I started following a few simple science-backed steps. I saw real results, felt more energized, and finally got the flat belly I had been chasing. So today I'm breaking it all down for you. The simple practical steps you can take right now to lose stomach fat and get closer to that toned, confident body you want. Let's start, but before we do that, let's talk about the problem most of us often face. So many of us focus only on sit-ups and crunches, thinking they will magically melt belly fat. But the truth? Abs are made in the kitchen, not just in the gym. What are the biggest roadblocks to losing belly fat? Unhealthy eating habits that lead to bloating and fat storage. Not enough movement. It's not just about workouts, but your daily activity level. Stress and poor sleep lead to increased cortisol and more stubborn belly fat. If you've been doing everything but still seeing little progress, don't worry. I've got the solution for you. Let's take the simple but powerful steps to help you lose stomach fat quickly and effectively. Simple solution steps. Step 1. Cut out processed sugar and refined carbs. Why it works. Reduces insulin spikes and prevents fat storage around your belly. Helps control cravings and keeps you fuller longer. Supports better digestion and gut health. This might help too, so try it. Swap soda for sparkling water and replace white bread with whole grains. Step number 2. Increase your protein intake. Why it works. It keeps you feeling full longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories. It supports muscle building, which burns more fat over time. Try this tip also. Add lean protein like chicken, fish, eggs, or plant-based options like tofu and lentils into your diet. Step number 3. Focus on whole foods and healthy fats. Why it works. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins prevent bloating and digestive issues. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil keep you satisfied and support fat loss. Reduces inflammation, which plays a role in belly fat storage. Step number 4. Get moving with the right workouts. Why it works. Cardio burns overall fat, helping you shed extra weight faster. Strength training builds lean muscle, which burns fat even at rest. Core exercises strengthen your abs, making your stomach look more toned. Also, doing HIIT workouts, just 15 to 20 minutes a day, can speed up fat loss. Make it a part of your regular workout routine and see what happens. Step number 5. Manage stress and sleep better. Why it works. High stress increases cortisol, leading to stubborn belly fat. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, making you crave junk food. A well-rested body burns fat more efficiently. Try this also because it has been proven to make a considerable difference. Try meditation, deep breathing, or a warm cup of herbal tea before bed. Step number 6. Stay consistent and track your progress. Why it works. Small changes add up. Sticking to a routine is key. Tracking progress keeps you motivated and helps you adjust when needed. It enables you to build long-term sustainable habits. Another pro tip for you that you should try. Many people don't realize how important it is. Still, it could make a huge difference in motivation and pride. Weigh yourself as often as possible and also try and take progress photos instead of just relying on the scale. And that's it. 6 simple but powerful steps to help you lose stomach fat quickly and get that flatter belly you've been working for. Remember, it's not about quick fixes. Making small, sustainable changes that yield significant results. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these steps will you start with first? Please drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more fitness and nutrition tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.